So this is my portion of our project presentation for February 28, 2024. Just uploading it separately so I have proof of work. Okay, so the first thing we want to talk about in business intelligence is the focus of GE Healthcare. So they have three primary focuses: precision healthcare, synthesizing big data, and democratizing healthcare. Now, the reason business intelligence is focused on precision healthcare is because they want to take in be able to use advanced digital solutions. So this also involves AI and ML, and GE believes that in the next 10 years, we're going to see more medical breakthroughs than we did in the last 100, which actually makes sense. So this is why they want to focus on precision healthcare. The next thing they want to think about is synthesizing big data. So the average hospital produces 50 petabytes a year. Now, to put that in perspective, you would need to take 4,000 photos, digital photos, every day for the span of your lifetime to get 1 petabyte of data. So that's a lot of data, and GE wants to make sure it's accessible. And part of making it accessible is making it available and interoperable and interconnected with machine learning and AI. The last thing is democratizing healthcare. And we saw the need for this over COVID. So they need to develop better models of care, cost-effective, how healthcare is delivered so we don't strain the healthcare workers, and so that healthcare is available to everyone in the way they need it. So on this page, what we're going to do is get into the nitty-gritty of their business intelligence system. So they are using cloud services. So it's hosted on AWS. And on AWS, they've built their own digital health platform. It's called Edison Digital. And then on that, they have their proprietary apps. So what does this mean? So cloud services, what does that mean? So basically, it for their business intelligence system, they want to make sure this data is available all the time, anywhere, and as needed. So cloud services on demand, it's ubiquitous, it's reliable, it's scalable, it's measurable, and pay-per-use. With GE, they've got Amazon Aurora, which is a fully managed relational database. They've got simple storage, S33, which is object storage. It's got security, available, performance. They've got EC2, which is basically elastic cloud. It allows it to scale up and down as needed for something like the COVID pandemic, where you're going to have a ton of extra data. They've got service catalog that allows people to find the data within their business intelligence system. They've got Cognito that gives them one sort of single sign-on where they host all their data, and anyone can get in and out of there with one login, and it's one sort of one-stop shopping. Then they've got SageMaker through AWS, which is a machine learning system for their business intelligence. GE's Edison platform. So this is vendor agnostic. Basically, GE can get data from numerous sources. Right now, they've got 22. This means different formats. No one's going to get locked in. They're not going to get locked in with a vendor's outdated tech. It's highly organized. They've integrated their own AI. Basically, this sort of database needs multiple teams managing and curating the data. They need standardization of naming, classifying, coding. They need data scientists, developers, clinical experts, basically to continually optimize the data and how they're using the database. So to recap GE Healthcare's business intelligence, they seem to have spent phenomenal resources in building out a business intelligence platform. They spent $17.7 billion. They've got it at the cloud level, platform level, application level, structured design, services, OpenAI, machine learning. I would have to say it's new, so it's definitely at a level 4 and certainly on its way to a level 5 in business intelligence maturity. And on this page, you have references. The majority of the references were taken from GE Healthcare's website and AWS. Thank you.